Not far from my garden, one of nature's most fascinating stories is about to unfold. In the scrublands of the Aurès Mountains in eastern Algeria, countless birds build their nests among shrubs. Among them is the Sardinian Warbler, a small but remarkably active species. This pair, however, faces a demanding challenge, raising an endlessly hungry chick. At just 9 days old, the chick has already reached an impressive size and now occupies almost every inch of the nest. Whenever the female detects the male's arrival, she leaves the nest, allowing him to feed the chick. After feeding, the male collects the chick's fecal sac and carries it away, helping keep the nest clean and less detectable to predators. To satisfy its growing appetite, the parents deliver a constant variety of food. Caterpillars, spiders, grasshoppers, and protein-rich chrysalises. Already bigger than its parents, it cannot be their offspring. In fact, it is a common cuckoo. The common cuckoo is known for one of nature's most remarkable survival strategies: brood parasitism. Instead of raising its own young, the female lays her egg in the nest of another species. Shortly after hatching, the cuckoo chick instinctively pushes any remaining eggs or chicks out of the nest, becoming the sole recipient of care. Even in the rain, parental care does not cease. The female shields the chick from the harsh weather while the male continues searching for food. Day by day, the young cuckoo develops rapidly. Its feathers grow, its wings strengthen, and its appetite increases steadily. Unlike Sardinian warbler chicks, which fledge after about 13 days, this cuckoo remains in the nest for up to 21 days before it fledges. There it is, finally out in the open. The male attempts to feed the chick but appears uneasy, urging it toward a safer location. Among the trees, the young cuckoo finds refuge in the branches. It calls repeatedly, its voice echoing through the foliage, and the male is never far away. It is difficult to believe this is the same chick. In just a few weeks, it has become almost indistinguishable from an adult. It even pecks at his foster father, urging him to search for more food. For now, it remains in the area. But as autumn approaches, instinct will guide it south across the Sahara to its African wintering grounds. A remarkable voyage for this young cuckoo.